Hey, what's up traders? Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 4 ways you can level up your trading game in Forex. Check it out. 1. Be comfortable how much you risk before taking a trade. Many aspects of trading come down how comfortable you are when you take a trade. In other words, risking your own money. Let's say you risk 4% of your capital because you want to make more money. However, risking 4% is way out of your comfort zone, which will lead you to making mistakes. The easiest way to check the amount you risk is right for you. And note that I said right for you. Before I answer the question, let's talk about 1% rule. Forget about 1% rule because trading is very personal. What is comfortable for me might not be for you and vice versa. Now back to the question. The easiest way to check if the amount you risk is right for you is by looking how you feel when the trade you put moves against your desired direction. If you feel nervous and start biting your nails, then my friends, consider reducing position size. Number 2, don't take a trade. Sometimes best thing you can do is just not taking any trade. You might have a specific strategy that you have been trading. However, there are times the market condition is not right for your trading strategy. So instead of forcing your will onto the market, which normally ends up in the Mr. Market's favor, the best thing you can do is just take a step back and accept that the market condition is not right for your trading style. There is nothing wrong with taking a step back. You don't have to always trade. What do you think is better? Taking a trade which you know you should have not taken, or waiting for the right market conditions for you to trade? If you do the first one, you're most likely to beat yourself up later when that trade loses. So I think the answer is pretty clear now. But don't worry traders, there will be plenty more opportunities in the future for you to trade. Number 3 is stop micromanaging your trades. Once you put the trade, do not micromanage it. So many traders, they put the trades and then sit next to the screen all day watching every single move. Obviously, there are many reasons why you might be doing this. I will just mention a few of them. First, the strategy you have, you're not confident with that strategy. Second, you do not have any strategy at all. If these two are your reason why you micromanage your trade, I have advice for you. Upgrade your strategy. By upgrading your strategy, you will improve how you manage your trades. Another reason why you micromanage your trades could be also to avoid the unpleasant feeling of loss. I get it. You do not want to lose. In fact, so many traders find it difficult to get over the losing trades that they become obsessed with being right on each and every trade. Once you have executed the trade and you put your stop loss, try to get away from the screen. You may surprisingly find that you're making less silly mistakes when you give your screen a break. Number 4 is do not move your stop loss too soon. A lot of you might disagree with this, but hear me out. So you take a trade and let's say use 25 pip stop loss. If the market moves in your favor, a lot of traders move their stop to break even, to be in the position that they can't lose. I mean, this might look great at first, but you might be killing good trades. Market can move against you by 15 pips. Take your stop out and go back to your target and hit that target. So this trade would have worked out if you have not moved your stop loss. So again, this might seem a good idea to move your stop loss, but over the long run, you might be better off not moving your stop too aggressively. Again, what I mentioned are 4 ways you can level up your trading game in Forex. 1. Be comfortable how much you risk before taking a trade. 2. Do not take a trade until the market conditions are right for you. 3. Do not micromanage your trades. And number 4, do not move your stop loss too soon. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. I make regular videos about trading, so I will see you guys next time.